now be awarded by the judges. The decision of the judges will be final. Now, I would like to introduce you all to our eminent judges. Our first judge is Mrs. Anupama Srivastava. She is an expert in Bharatnatyam classical dance, Kathak and folk dance. She is a specialist in choreography including foreign dance forms. She has performed at Doordarshan, Lucknow Mahotsava and other known stages. She has been honored by UP Ratna Award, Rajat Jayanti Samman, Chal Vejanti Award, Women Achiever in Arts 2017 and many more. She has judged events at Kids Carnival, Spring Fest, Lal Bahadur Shastri Management College, RLB Lucknow, Rotary Club, Kendriya Vidyalaya, SJN MPG KKC College and many more. Our second judge is Ms. Bhanvi Srivastava. She has attained a degree of Visharad in Kathak and Vocal and Prabhakar in Bharatnatyam. She is an expert in Western dance forms like hip hop, belly dance, Zumba, salsa, etc. She has bagged first position as Miss India Divine 2019 organized by Shri Arts. She has judged at UP Mahotsava, Krishna Bihari Samiti, Jai Narayan PG College. She has given various live performances at Doordarshan, Lucknow Mahotsava, Bharat Vikas Parishad, Kerala Samajan Onam Festival, Rotary Club, LUCC Sanskriti Surabhi 2019 and many more. Our third judge is Mr. Sameer Khan. He has more than 10 years of professional choreography experience and expertise in coaching students across all age groups. He has certification in instructorship training in Bollywood and contemporary dancing from Fusion Planet and advanced level certification in Bollywood dancing from Shyamak Diwar Institute of Performing Arts. He is currently employed with Step Up Dance Academy since 2016 and has judged various events at various stages. A round of applause for all our judges. We expect that all the participants are here. Before viewing the performance, I will call out the name of the participants who will introduce themselves live. Our first participant is Saksham Pavarkar. Saksham, please introduce yourself. I'm so sorry, Saksham, but you are not audible right now. Could you please repeat yourself?
Now I am audible. Hello.
I'm so sorry, Saksham, but you are still not audible. We have your presentation. We'll move forward.
But we can hear him.
He
Okay,
is
okay.
audible.
Just a second.
He is audible. We can hear him.
Audible.
Saksham, please go forward. You are now audible. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon and Jai Jagat. My name is Saksham Pravakar and I study in class 10th in City Montessori School, IDSO campus. I live in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh and I am from India. Thank you.
Dick in my pants, ayy. My bitch don't love me no more, ayy. She kick me out like I'm broke, yeah. Fuck on me, look at me, ayy. Fuck on me, yeah. Look at me, ayy. Look at me, yeah. Fuck on me, yeah. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spend their ass on no shit, yeah. My bitch love do cocaine, ooh. I fuck a bitch, you got name, ooh. I can't pop in the winter, ooh. I'm ready for a wave, I'm on this, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Fuck up, 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 fuck up,
Thank you, Saksham, for your presentation. And coming up next, we have Pankti Shah. Pankti, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, everyone. I am Pankti Shah from Navishna Vidyalaya. I live in Vadodara, Gujarat, and I am from India. I am in standard 10. Thank you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you so much, Pankti. And our next participant is Pranav Chokhani. Pranav, would you please introduce yourself?
Good afternoon and Jai Hind everyone. This is Pranav Chokhani. I study in Sunbeam Sun City, Varanasi. I live in Maharajganj, Uttar Pradesh. Thank you.
3, 2, 1.
Thank you, Pranav, for your presentation. And coming up next, we have Shivi Upadhyay. Shivi, please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon and Jai Jagat to one and all present. I'm Shivi Upadhyay of class 11th from City Montessori School, Gomti Nagar, Campus 1, Lucknow, UP. And I'm really thankful to my respected principal and teachers who have given me this opportunity to showcase my talent on this platform. Thank you.
क्यों न बोले मुझसे मोहन क्यों है रूठे रूठे मोहन क्यों कैसे मनाऊं है कैसे मनाऊं उन बिन कटे न रहना उन बिन आवे न एक पल चैना उन बिन जियूं तो कैसे मैं जियूं हाय बहेरा भरे मोरे ना झरे मोरे ना सुने नहीं कहना भरे मोरे ना बहेरा भरे मोरे ना झरे मोरे ना सुने नहीं कहना भरे मोरे ना नैनों के द्वारे आने के वादे बांधे ऐसे बोलो काहे चौखट पे दिल की आहट रखी है ताकों पे है तोरे साए उन बिन उन्हें मनाए उन बिन कभी जो उनको रिझाए उन बिन चले है मोरा ये जिया है बहेरा भरे मोरे ना झरे मोरे ना सुने नहीं कहना भरे मोरे ना बहेरा भरे मोरे ना झरे मोरे ना सुने नहीं कहना भरे मोरे ना
Thank you so much, Shri, for your presentation. Now our next participant in line is Sunaina Pal. Sunaina, would you please introduce yourself?
Good afternoon to the respected members of the jury, revered teachers and all my fellow participants. This is Sunaina Pal of Grade 8 representing Odisha Bhubaneswar's Odium Public School. I hope you all will like my dance. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sunaina. And now it's time for Muhammad Mustaqfi Abbasi to introduce himself. Muhammad, please go ahead. Muhammad Mustaqfi Abbasi is from Sir Padampat Singhania School, Kota, Rajasthan. There must be some technical glitch, so now we will proceed with his presentation.
Thank you, Mohammed, for your presentation. Coming up next, we have Ritesh Paudel. Ritesh, please go ahead and introduce yourself. I'm so sorry, it seems as if Ritesh has gotten disconnected. I just saw him a few moments ago. Never mind. Ritesh is from Orchid School, Bharatpur, Chitwan, Nepal. We have his presentation. We'll move forward.
देखा तुमको जब से बस देखा तुमको यारा ये देखा तुमको जब से बस देखा तुमको यारा तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना तुमसे कोई प्यारा यूं नजरे ना फेरो तुम मेरे हो मेरे तुम कह दो ना यू आर माय सोनिया कह दो ना यू आर माय सोनिया
बजा दे कुछ ओल्ड स्कूल हिप हॉप old school
ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸੀਰੀਆ ਦੇ ਨਾ ਉਵੇਂ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਦਾ ਨਾ ਰੱਖੇ ਉਂਗਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਪੋਟਿਆਂ ਤੇ ਬੈਰੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਸਾਹ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਮਾਰਿਆ ਨਾ ਮਰੇ ਤੇਰੀ ਅੱਖ ਤੋਂ ਫਨਾ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਜਰਦੀ ਪਸੰਦ ਤੇਰੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਅੜੀ ਔਰ ਈਗੋ ਡਾਊਨ ਵਾਈਜ਼ ਥਿੰਕ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਹੱਥ ਯਾਰੀਆਂ ਚ ਹੋਏ ਨਾ ਸ਼ਰਿੰਕ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਉਂਝ ਦੇਖਣ ਨੂੰ ਜੱਟਲੀ ਜੀ ਲੁੱਕ ਯਾਰ ਦੀ ਨੀ ਠੌਟ ਰੈਬਲ ਰੱਖੇ ਨੇ ਬੈਡ ਲਿੰਕ ਬੱਲੀਏ ਤੇਰਾ ਬੜ ਪਰ ਛਾਵਾਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਏ ਕਰੀਬ ਸਰੀ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਤੋਂ ਆਇਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਖਦੇ ਨਸੀਬ
Thank you so much, Ritesh. And our next participant is Kalika Rajput. Please introduce yourself, Kalika.
Good afternoon and Jai Jagat to all of you present here. I am Kalika Rajput of class 10C, City Montessori School, Kanpur Road branch, and I live in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. and I hope that you will like my performance. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kalika, for your performance. Now, I would like to call upon Harshit Rai. Harshit, would you please introduce yourself?
Good afternoon, all present here.
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen, there seems to have been a technical glitch. From City Montessori School, Cambridge section, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. We have his presentation. We'll move forward. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Harshit. And now, last but not the least, I would like to call upon Krishna Mehrotra. Krishna, please go ahead with your introduction.
Hi, good afternoon everyone. I am Krishna Mehrotra from Cambridge section CMS, and I belong from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, that is in the northern part of India, and I'm really thankful that I got to participate in this competition. Thank you.
Town road, I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse through the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
I got the horses in the bag, horse stock is attached. Head is matted black, got the bushes black to match. Riding on a horse, ha, you can whip your Porsche. I've been in the valley, you ain't been up off that porch. Now, can't nobody tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Riding on a tractor, lean all in my blood. Cheated on my baby, you can go and ask her. My life is a movie, but riding in boobies. Cowboy hat from Gucci, Wrangler on my booty. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing. Can't nobody tell me nothing. You can't tell me nothing.
Yeah, I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I'm gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Head down cross town.
Thank you, Krishna, for the presentation. This was the last performance of the session for the event Freestyle Hip Hop Dance. Now, I would request our esteemed judges to throw light on the performances that we have just witnessed. Ms. Anupma Srivastav, ma'am, would you like to share your views?
हेलो, आवाज आ रही मेरी?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you.
हाँ, सभी बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा किया. हिप हॉप बेस भी था. बस ये था कि आपका जो हिप हॉप बेस था फ्री स्टाइल, उसमें कुछ बच्चों ने कंटेम्परेरी डाल दिया और कुछ बच्चों ने बॉलीवुड डाल दिया. तो इसमें हर्षित हैं, जैसे हर्षित ने बहुत अच्छा किया. सभी बच्चों ने, ऐसे मुझे नाम याद नहीं आ रहे अभी. मुझे सबसे जो मुझे बेस्ट लगा वो सक्षम का, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. और इन्होंने फुल एनर्जी से पूरा डांस किया. और एक गर्ल है जिसने बहुत ही अच्छा, सुनैना का मैंने देखा, इसका फुल एक्सप्रेशन बहुत ही अच्छा किया उसने डांस. और ये रितेश पौडेल है शायद, रितेश ने भी बहुत अच्छा डांस किया. नेपाल से हैं जो. और राजस्थान के जो मोहम्मद मुस्ताकी अब्बासी, इनका भी फुल परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा था. कलिका राजपूत, ये मुझे बहुत, इनका बहुत ही परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा था, बेस्ट था. इनके एक्सप्रेशन, एनर्जी फुल था, इनका बहुत अच्छा किया इन्होंने. बाकी मुझे सभी का अच्छा लगा. मैंने नंबर अभी दे दिए हैं और बच्चे और मेहनत करें. बहुत ही अच्छा किया इन्होंने, सबके अच्छे लगे मुझे डांस. थैंक यू.
Sir, we would love to hear your opinion.
Mr. Sameer Khan, is he there?
I suppose there is some technical glitch. Mr. Sameer is not able to connect to us. Never mind, Ms. Bhanvi Srivastav. Ma'am, we would like to hear a few words from you.
No, we cannot hear you.
Can't hear. Okay, now is it so? Yes.
Yeah, it is okay. Yes.
Yeah. Firstly, सबने बहुत graceful and girls were outstanding. ऐसा नहीं है कि boys ने अच्छा नहीं किया. Everyone did very well. But मुझे लगता है जैसे some of you were like हाँ थोड़ी सी और प्रैक्टिस चाहिए. बाकी सबने बहुत किया. और एक टिप मैं और देना चाहूंगी कि जैसे तो when there's a live performance तब तो मतलब no problem, but रिकॉर्ड करते हो तो जैसे कुछ लोगों का मेरे को एक्सप्रेशंस नहीं दिख पाया. एक्सप्रेशन भी बहुत जरूरी होता है पहले तो जजमेंट के लिए, है ना. बाकी थिंग्स वर फाइन, वेरी नाइस, की स्टेप्स सही है, कोरियोग्राफी अच्छी है, वेरी गुड. बट एक्सप्रेशंस जब तक नहीं दिखेंगे तब तक हमें ये नहीं पता चल पाएगा कि आप फील में है कि नहीं है डांस के. तो सबने अच्छा किया, वो मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ कि उसकी वजह से किसी पे फर्क पड़ा है, बट स्टिल ऐसे डांस रिकॉर्ड करिए कि आपका फेस लाइट के तरफ हो. हाँ, बाकी कोरियोग्राफी भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. हाँ, मुझे कुछ लोगों के में ये दिखा कि अच्छा तो वो लोग बहुत कर रहे थे पर हल्का सा एक मिसिंग था कोरियोग्राफी का पॉइंट, मतलब थोड़ा सा डेविएट हो रहा था. वो चीज नहीं होना चाहिए. बाकी बहुत अच्छा किया था. थैंक यू.
Okay.
We thank each one of our honorable judges for sharing their valuable opinion on this event and enlightening us with their words of wisdom. Well, lot of amazing and praiseworthy performances. Each was one step ahead of the other. But friends, as we all know, a competition is a competition. So among the 10 finalists, we will send the link to the 5 participants who will be nominated for the prize distribution ceremony on 17th October 2020 at 5:30 p.m. A participation certificate will be awarded to all the participants as a token of appreciation of their effort and talent. I would conclude by saying, I don't just dance. I perform. I breathe. I watch the world disappear. I release my feelings. I lead with my heart. I knock down my walls. I stop feeling sad. I free myself. I let go. I smile. No, I don't just dance. I do so much more. I would like to request our respected principal Shivani Singh ma'am to propose a vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, Stuti. First of all, I would like to welcome Aruna Naidu ma'am and Trapti Dwivedi ma'am to this event. Thank you so much for taking out, your valuable time from your such busy schedule. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to thank Ms. Anupma Srivastava, Ms. Bhanvi Srivastava, and Mr. Sameer Khan. Thank you for being here with us today and adding charm to the entire event. It's really very, very motivating for the participants to get feedback and guidance from the experts of their field. So thanks a ton, and thank you to all the participants. Everybody was, indeed better than, and I know all the judges must be having a tough time. So all the best, and the 5 finalists will be intimated very soon. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Okay.
I would like to thank our esteemed judges, all the participants and distinguished guests for taking time out of their busy schedule and gracing this session with their presence. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
It's an international musical fiesta. It's an international musical fiesta. Seize the passion, ease emotions. L is love for every human. E is the echo of good thoughts and sense. S is sound which is pleasant. E is stone age auditorium. Baby show of performance. Performance. Music is the food of soul, so chill and free and rock and roll. Music is the food of soul, so chill and free and rock and roll.